previous class continuation. In previous class, we are discussing optically data storage devices, and today class magnetically data storage devices. Today topic is magnetically data storage devices. Today topic. Means optically data storage device means we save data optically on compact disk. Means the drive save data optically on disk. In the drives we are using CD, DVD, Blu-ray discs. Here it is magnetically data storage device means this device store data magnetically in platter. Means here this magnetically data storage device internally has some sections and some parts. It is save that data internally by using magnetic waves. Means here this device store data magnetically. Magnetically data storage device means it is store data magnetically. It is called magnetically data storage devices. In this first one, floppy drive, and second one, tape. Hard disk. These three devices store data magnetically. Here, first one is floppy drive. Second one is tape drive. Third one is the hard disk. First, we are discussing floppy drive. Here, this floppy drives is two types. First one is the floppy A drive, and another one is floppy B drive. So here, when you are installing operating system, that time you see your hard disk partitions is starting from C, after D and E. Means it is starting from C. Means it is not allocating A and B letters. Y means that operating system is already reserved letter A, letter B for these two drives. That is the reason when you are installing OS in your machine, that time you check your hard disk partition starting from C, D, E, F. And here letter A, letter B reserved for these two drives. Floppy A drive, floppy B drive. In floppy A drive, we are using 5.25 inches floppy disk in A drive. In B drive, we are using 2.5 inches floppy drive, floppy disk. And this floppy capacity is 1.4 storage capacity MB, and this floppy B storage capacity is 1.44 MB. See here, in older days, in computers, no data storage devices, means no hard disk. if you want to run machine, that time first you insert floppy A, floppy A. You insert floppy A. In this floppy A, in older days, all machines works with DOS or other operating system. That time, no Windows operating system. Means Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows 7, Windows. This operating systems is not available. So that time, this machines works with the DOS operating system. So first we are inserting floppy A. In this floppy A, already we are copying DOS operating system. So first we are inserting floppy A in A drive. That time that system is booting from floppy A. After we are inserting floppy B in B drive. In floppy B, which application you are using? In older days, we are using Lotus, DBase, WordStar. These are the popular application softwares. Nowadays, we are using MS Excel, MS Paint, MS PowerPoint. Like in older days, Lotus 123, DBase, WordStar. These are the famous application softwares. So here, your machine booting purpose means operating system purpose we are using one floppy, and your application software purpose we are using another floppy. Means here you see this floppy capacity is very less. That is the reason we are using two floppies. And another reason, in computer no hard disk. Means in I am learning this application software, that time I am using 486 Intel machine. In this machine, no hard disk. It is look like some students know VCR type. So in that machine have only two drives. First drive is a floppy A drive. Second downside is a floppy B drive. So we are inserting floppy A in first drive A, and we are inserting floppy B in drive B. So that machine is loading DOS, and after it is loading application software, that we are doing work by using this software. Here, you see nowadays one pen drive. What is the maximum one pen drive capacity? 128 GB data storage capacity. But here you see one floppy drive. What is the maximum storage? 1.4. For example, if you want to save one MP3 audio file, one file is approximately 5 MB. Means this floppy is not supporting to save single song also. Means this is very less storage capacity. But in older days, it is very important and very popular. This is a floppy drive. This floppy drive also store data magnetically on floppy disk. In floppy disk, internal have one magnetic material coated, one plastic round shaped disk, and this floppy drive have read-write heads. I think some students knows audio cassette player, means tape recorders. Here, this floppy drive also works with the same technology. Here, this read-write drive means that read-write head, store data magnetically on that floppy disk. In this is a floppy drive. And this floppy drive is two types. First one is the floppy A drive, floppy B drive. Two types of drives is there. Floppy A drive, in this we are inserting 5.25 inches floppy disk. And another one is the floppy B drive. In this we are inserting 2.5 inches floppy disk. Two types. This is a magnetically data storage device. So that time means when we are using this floppy disks, that time if we want to store high volume data, that storage purpose, that time they are using zip drive. zip drive. This zip drive maximum capacity is 800 MB. So in older days, 800 MB data storage device means it is very high capacity data storage device, 800 MB. Reason is here floppy drive is stores only 1.4 MB, but here it is stored 800 MB. That is the reason many companies using data storage purpose zip drive. But nowadays we are not using. Means it is 800 MB is very less compared to present situation. Zip drive. The time we are using zip drive, this zip drive maximum capacity is 800 MB. Next one is tape drive. Tape drive means in this one plastic reel. Reel means very less width and very lengthy. Reel. In this plastic reel, they are applying ferric oxide. Ferric oxide. It is a magnetic material. They are applying ferric oxide. After they are packing one cabinet. It is we are called as a cassette. So in this tape drive, we are using this tape. This tape is manufacturing with one plastic reel, applying coating of ferric oxide. Now this tape drive store data digitally. Digitally means example of this tape drive is some students know audio cassettes. This tape drive also same technology, audio cassette. In this audio cassette, that songs is stored analog in analog mode. But in this tape drive, they are stored data in digital mode. Means in this they store only zeros, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 digitally. This is the difference. But working principle is same. Means in this tape drive also we are using read write head, and in audio cassette player also we are using read write head. Both are same. In this, what is the media? Means in this media is cassette. Means that ferric oxide coated reel. That is the media, and it is stored data magnetically on this tape drive. On this tape. This tape is ferric oxide coated reel. And this tape drive is used for large amount data storage purpose. Means in server rooms and in research labs, they are using tape drives. Normal purpose, we cannot use this tape drive. Normal offices, small offices, they are using only zip drives. In older days, that office work did also very less. Next one is hard disk. Hard disk drive, HDD. This hard disk also internally have one platter. That platter have magnetic material coated aluminum disk. Look like, for example, here, for example, this is one aluminum. For example, this is one aluminum disk. On aluminum disk, they are applying magnetic material. Magnetic material coated one platter, and this disk downside, upside, upper side have two read write heads. And now this platen is freely moving with the help of spindle motor. And this motor, normal RPM, means in older days 5,400 RPM, 5,400. But present in house purpose, this platen means spindle motor rotating speed is 7,200 RPM. And in server, that server hard disk RPM is 10,000 RPM or 12,000 RPM. And here now this Platon is rotating. That time this read write head is store data on this Platon magnetically. Means this is magnetic material coated. This read write head is generating magnetic waves. That waves is stored on this magnetic material coated Platon hard disk. Actually, here this is Platon and this is spindle motor, and here one small size read write head, and this actuator. This arm and this actuator. The actuator is moving that arm. That time this read write head is moving, and it is stored data on this Platon. This Platon also virtually creating cluster.
Sir? Sir? सर वॉइस नहीं आ रही है सर Sir. Sir. Sir.
Now unmuting, madam. Thank you, madam.
Sir, I've unmuted you on 2 devices. Which one does it work actually?
Using only Venkanna Vemnuri, madam. This device name is Venkanna Vemnuri. Only unmute this Venkanna Vemnuri. Remaining all are mute.
Okay, sir, done.
Thank you, madam. Now, general means in desktop computers we are using up to 2 GB hard disk. But in market, we are discussing after some time, means this magnetically data storage device means hard disk capacity present in our market. Generally, we are using 500 and 1 TB, 2 TB hard disk. And here, this 1 TB hard disk, 1 TB hard disk capacity means price is 4,200. This is starting price. Depending on location, area, and shop, this price is vary 4,200. And 2 TB hard disk price starting price is 4,500. You see here 1 TB hard disk price starting price is 4,200. 2 TB hard disk starting price is 4,500. Means here only 300 or 400 difference between 1 TB 2 TB. But here 1 TB data means capacity is differential. 1 TB cost is 4,200, 2 TB cost is 4,500. And these hard disks means house purpose or general office purpose, we are using hard disk. This hard disk RPM in older days 5,400 RPM rotations per minute means that platen. For example, this platen means this platen is rotating 5,400 rounds per minute. And another one present we are using that device means it is RPM is 7,200. Present we are using 7,200 RPM. For example, if you want purchase server hard disk are available with two RPM, two type of RPM. In this first one is 10,000 RPM and another one is 12,000 RPM. Means compared to desktop computer hard disk, server hard disk RPM is more. And data transfer speed also means data copying speed and reading speed also more. And this is magnetically data storage device. Another one. So magnetically data storage device means floppy drive, tape drive, and hard disk. These three is magnetically data storage device. Another data storage device is available. It is semiconductor data storage device. Means in this we store data in semiconductors. Means in this we are using transistors and capacitors. That components is storing data. conductor data storage devices. Means in this we save data electrically in capacitors. Actually, in this we are using transistors and capacitors. That capacitors store charge and discharging, means charging, discharging. If capacitor charging means it is represented digital 1. If capacitor discharging means it is represented digitally 0. So here, in this semiconductor data storage device, in this example is first one is SSD, solid state drive. Solid state drive. General words, I am using general words, pen drive. And here, what is it? Memory card. Memory card. So these three devices store data in electrical charge mode. These three. First one is solid state drive. This solid state drive is store data in electrical charge mode. Actually, we know desktop computer. Desktop computer hard disk means this is desktop computer hard disk. Here it is mentioned. This capacity is data. This is desktop computer hard disk. This one. In this have mechanical parts. Mechanical parts means a spindle motor and actuator, and here that actuator is moving, and in this have read write head, and that what is that that plotter is moving in with some RPM 5400 or 7200. Means in normal hard disk means magnetically data storage hard disk, in this have mechanical parts. But in solid state drive, in this no mechanical parts. In this total memory chips, no mechanical parts. Here, in this no mechanical parts, that is the one advantage. Second advantage is this solid state drive is 10 times faster data transfer and data save. Means data read and write 10 times faster compared to normal hard disk. That is the reason now in high-end computers, high-end laptops nowadays, we are using solid state drive, and this solid state drive is lightweight, small size, 10 times faster compared to this normal hard disk. This is a normal hard disk. This is solid state drive. This is a 2.5 inch this size, and this is a bigger size, and this is a heavy weight. This is a lightweight, and it is 10 times faster compared to this normal hard disk. This is the advantage. Means small size, lightweight, 10 times data transfer speed is more. Means read and write purpose, 10 times data transfer speed more. Means here, for example, if you are installing one normal hard disk in your computer and if you are installing some video games, that time, if you are installing video games in your computer, that time your system booting purpose, for example, it is taking 10 minutes for normal hard disk purpose. So you remove the normal hard disk and you insert a SSD drive. Again you insert OS. Again you install OS and that video games. That time your machine is booting in 1 minute only. Means if you are using in your computer solid state drive, that time your machine is booting. Means your machine is video gaming machine, not a normal computer. Video gaming machine. In that machine, if you are using solid state drive, that time your machine is booting within 1 minute. For example, in your machine, you are using normal hard disk. That time your machine booting purpose it is taking 10 minutes time. Means here solid state drive is 10 times faster to normal computer. Sorry, normal hard disk. So that is the reason nowadays solid state drive is very popular, but it is more costly. And next one is pen drive. Pen drive. In this also have memory chip. It is also store data. And here previously we are discussing normal hard disk. Normal hard disk. What is the capacity of normal hard disk? We are discussing 2 TB. But here this solid state drive maximum capacity means data storage capacity is 256 TB. Present Samsung and Seagate releasing new and 256, but present on market is available only 16 TB. 16 TB hard disk is available, but they are developing 256 TB hard disk solid state drive, but present on market is available 16 TB hard disk. In future, 256 hard disk also coming on market. Now, this solid state drive is very speed, lightweight, more efficient, normal to compared to normal hard disk. Here, normal hard disk have mechanical parts, and sometimes this any problem is coming, mechanical problems is coming. That time this disk is not working properly. But in solid state drive, no movable parts, no mechanical parts, and it is lightweight, more efficient, data transfer speed also 10 times faster. But still now, many users not using solid state drive. Why? Reason is here. Previously we are discussing 2 TB normal hard disk price is 3,500 rupees. Normal hard disk. If you want to purchase 2 TB SSD drive, that time this price is 23,000 rupees. This is the difference. You see here, 2 TB normal hard disk is 3,500 rupees. 3,500 rupees. But 2 TB SSD drive, 23,000 rupees. If you want 1 TB HDD, that time here you are paying 3,200 rupees. But here you want 1 TB SSD, that time you pay approximately 22,000 or 20,000. So this is the difference. Normal hard disk 3,500 rupees, 2 TB hard disk, starting price. This price is very depending on the market and depending on the shop. 3,500 to 4,200 rupees, 2 TB hard disk cost. And here 2 TB solid state drive cost is 23,000. Depending on that shop, this price also 2-3,000 vary. So that is the reason till now many clients, many users using normal hard disk. Reason here is here this normal hard disk data transfer speed is less. So that is the only one problem. Remaining all is same to same. Means point of view means compared to this price 23,000, 3,500 means here approximately 20,000 difference. That is the reason still now many users using normal hard disk. Who wants high speed data transfer speed? Means some people is playing advanced HD video games or high-end video game. 3D video games are high-end games. In that, data transfer speed is more important. So in that computers only they are using solid state drive. And present high-end computers means above 50,000, 60,000 laptops, they are using solid state drive. Apple company also in Mac laptops they are using solid state drive. Remaining all companies using normal hard disks. Means if we are using this SSD drive, that time price is varied. Means here you see 2 TB hard disk, normal hard disk is 3,500, 2 TB SSD drive is 23,000. This is the difference. Now, pen drive. In this pen drive, have memory chip, means memory storage device. And this now present on market, this pen drive maximum capacity is 128 GB. And this pen drive is also available with classes. Class 2 pen drive, class 10 pen drive. Class 10 means data storage device, data transfer speed is high. And this pen drive is also available 2.0 and 3.0. Means here, this is USB. It is supporting 3.0, it is supporting 2.0 means compared to 2.0, 3.0 data transfer speed is high. And compared to this 2.0 pen drive, this 3.0 pen drive cost is more. And present 64 GB, 128 GB, that pen drive is available with 3.0 version, 3.0. So in this pen drive also they are using memory chips. In this means this pen drive also store data in memory in semiconductors. Means in this also using transistors and capacitors. With the help of the transistor, that capacitor is store charge. Means charging, discharging. If capacitor charging means it is representing digital 1. If capacitor discharging means it is representing digital 0. Now, hard disk is completed, floppy drive is completed, pen drive is completed. Now we are discussing common problems in hard disk. For example, this is the hard disk. In this hard disk, don't remove this top side cover. It is vacuum creating and it is sealed with means airtight sealing package. Means if you are opening, that time small dust particle is dropped on the platter, that time that small dust particle is damaging read-write heads. Means here small dust particle, very small dust particle also damaging read-write head. Why means here, for example, this is the platen and this is a spindle motor. Now here dropped one very small dust particle. Actually, we are discussing in our regular class. This read-write head very closer to this platen. If we are observing normally, we are thinking this read-write head is touched to this platen. When we are observing this read-write head by using microscope, that we are observing this platen and head in between have small gap. That much of very closer to this platen. Read-write heads is very closer to this platen. If any small particle drop on this platen, that small particle is very light. But here this platen is rotating in high speed, means 7,200 RPM. Means here particle weight is very less, but RPM means velocity is high. That is the reason with the speed of that high speed, that small particle also damaging this read write head. Example is in bullet, bullet is lightweight, but velocity is speed. Velocity is more. That is the reason that bullet is damaging objects. Here also, that particle is lightweight, but that velocity is high. That is the reason it is damaging read write heads. So that is the reason don't open this side. If you want to open, compulsory you maintain dust free room. This side only opening in hard disk repair labs only. Means that lab is maintaining 3-stage air filtering methods they are using. And if that technician enter into that lab, that time he is maintaining like our ICU. In hospitals, they are maintaining ICU one suit. That type of suit that person is wearing and is entering into that lab. And here, in these common problems, here, see here, these are the connectors. This is the power connector, and this is the SATA data connector. Sometimes, if we are using this hard disk, OS installing, everything is okay. After 2-3 days, suddenly it is giving one message: your OS is corrupted. OS is corrupted message is coming. That time we are confusing. 2 days back, I am installing OS in this hard disk. Again, it is saying OS corrupted. What is the reason? Reason is here, these contact pins have carbon. So that time when you are inserting cable, that time it is not contacting properly. Means here has some carbon. So in that situation, every 4 days, 2 days, every one after 1 hour, 2 hour, we are getting some problem. It is saying your data is corrupted, or bootable device is not available, or some files is corrected. This type of message is coming. So that time you clean these contact points by using pencil eraser. And generally we are called rubber. You use this pencil eraser and clean these contact points. This is the one problem, common problems, not major problem. These are the minor problems. You clean these contact points by using pencil eraser. This is the one problem. Sometimes your hard disk is detecting, but that partition C drive, D drive, E drive is not visible in your computer. Hard disk is detecting, but that drives is not visible in your computer. So that time you open this motherboard, hard disk motherboard. Here they are using T screws. So you remove these screws by using screwdriver. Actually here, motherboard to internal, what is that? Read write head, that arm, actuator, these all are called media. Means read write head and one connector from read write head to one IC, that IC to this motherboard. Connecting purpose, one chip is available. This total setup is called media. Sometimes that media is not connecting to this motherboard. That time hard disk is detecting. Hard disk is detecting in your computer. If you are checking in your BIOS, it is detecting, but it is not showing in computer. Means it is not booting. That time it is saying bootable device is not available. But when you are checking in your BIOS, that time it is showing here one hard disk is available. Means BIOS is detecting hard disk, but your machine is not loading OS, and the CD, the drives are also not visible. Here see, this is the media connecting. This is the media connector. and that connector is touched to here. This is the media connecting touch points here in this place. You see here? These are the media connecting points. If this area means these connecting points have carbon, that time your hard disk is detecting bias. But when you try to install OS, that time it is saying in this storage device is not found. It is giving that type of message. So that time you open this hard disk motherboard and you clean these contact points. By using pencil eraser. Actually, here in this motherboard also have processor, driver IC, and that index IC, and this components is available. These are all the sensitive components. But here I am not wearing shoes. Now I am standing on floor without chappal, without shoe. So here no problem, means my body is not generating electrostatic charge. Means total the charge is grounded by my feet. So that is no problem. If I am wearing shoes or chappal, that is compulsory I am using that electrostatic device. Electrostatic device means electrostatic discharge device means anti-static strap or leather jacket. We are using that. But here that is not required. Now here this contact plan points are cleaned. Now on board I am cleaning. Again I am cleaning contact points of this hard disk. Yes, these are the contact points.
कैसे जा रहे हो गाड़ी से सर
Madam,
सर you will take another 5 minutes
within 5 minutes completed. Madam.
okay.
You clean these contact points. After you fix this motherboard and check that time it is working properly. Remaining screws I am fitting after some time. Now, if you have any doubt, ask me. This is question time. Within 5 minutes, you complete your